is the other one, okay, that lots of people mix up. So genotype stands for gene. Phenotype stands for what actual trait is exhibited because of those genes, okay? So it's the actual effect or the actual expression of that gene. So phenotype, think physical appearance, okay? So pH, physical appearance, okay? So the genotype would be big T, little t. But the phenotype would be the fact that this would exhibit a tall type of plant, okay? So because big T is dominant over little t, okay, that's going to be the trait that we actually see once that big T just shows up, and it's automatically going to overpower that little t. So that's a phenotype, okay? So genotype, the gene set, the actual genes that are together, and then phenotype is the physical appearance that we get out of that trait, okay? So how do we get those big T's and little t's? Okay, these are called alleles. So alleles are versions of a particular trait that come in one set only. Okay, so they're different forms of a gene that have contrasting effects on a trait. So let's say we're talking about tall plants and short plants. Okay, just exhibiting that T and only the T, that's an allele of height of the plant. Okay, short, little t, is the allele of height of the plant. Okay, so alleles are basically going to be the versions of one of these gene expressions. Okay, so we're only really talking about the height of the plant, but the alleles can be that big T for the tall plants, little t for the short plants. Okay. Now, finally, there's going to be a lot of probability in here, okay? So it's a branch of math that tries to predict the results of chance events. So what you guys are going to have to realize in here, these are very simplistic forms of probability, and everybody's very capable of doing this, because I do believe in Math 30-1, -2, -3, or even 20-1, -2, -3, you would have done something with probability. But like I said, this is like very basic probability, so I don't even think, you know, you can get away with it with like grade 9 math or something like that. Okay? Sound good?